Today's comparison is between the Tomica Limited Vintage Ferrari BB512i versus the Tomica Premium BB512. Although both castings belong to the same BB512 family, they are in different category. Being the price of the TLV several times higher than the premium version, in terms of paint job both are equally outstanding. I think the paint on the premium is somehow thicker than the TLV, and on the rear you can see the intricate details on the TLV, while the premium are just painted. On the front you can see the small white running lights on the grille for the 512i, and both Ferrari Prancing Horse logo are clearly legible. You can see that the TLV has a wiper and a much more detailed tan interior than the premium version, and also the black trimmings on the TLV, while the premium doesn't cover all. The TLV version has the rubber wheel set, while the premium are in plastic. The rear engine of the TLV is highly detailed. You can see that the opening rear is loose. That's the case for all the TLV. I think because TLV needs to compensate the realism when it's closed. The premium has opening rear as well. Unlike the TLV, it can open all the way, and the fitting is not that loose. But due to the price range, the engine is far less detailed than the Tomica Limited Vintage. And one more feature that the TLV doesn't have is the pop-up headlights. This is the feature that many collectors welcome, but it's not present on the TLV. I guess TLV skipped this so as not to compromise the realism. Despite of make, details and the scale, they make a great pair and definitely will look nice in diecast photography. More videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!